Happy Thursday, my friends, and welcome back to another non-phone work from home job lead. I'm excited to be sharing this one as this company was hiring a few months back and I shared it on my channel, and I had subscribers that actually commented and said they got hired and they worked this job. So I wanted to share again since they are hiring again, so we will not waste any time. The company Gaggle, they work with school systems to ensure the safety of students' online content, and it says help save student lives. So what they do is they hire people to review content that comes in through their student accounts to make sure that there is no bad things getting through. So this is a temporary job. You will be an independent contractor and it is part-time, but since people have been getting hired, it might be the perfect position for you if you are looking to just pick up some extra cash. This contract work allows you to work the flexibility within the constraints of your own schedule. It says the choice is yours. Work when it works best for you. So very flexible schedule. You'll be trying to identify content to uncover drug use, bullying, threats of school violence, teen depression, suicidal ideations, and abuse of domestic situations of students in grades K through 12 through various forms of communication. So you'll monitor and analyze student activity and identify potential inappropriate usage of words, phrases, statements, and images within their email, their Google Drive, their Microsoft OneDrive, and more. You'll quickly and efficiently process at least 275 items per hour while maintaining a high level of accuracy. They want you to be able to work a minimum of 10 hours per week and be able to escalate questionable findings further to the Gaggle safety team so that they can analyze it. Now, they are looking for someone who has experience using various computer and web-based applications, someone who has interest and enthusiasm in reading as it requires focus and attention to detail, someone who has the ability to distinguish between potentially harmful student matters and harmless situations, someone who has experience with tech and social media cultures, and knowledge of the trends and slangs used by children and teenagers. That's going to help you identify potential issues. You have to have strong communication skills and the adaptability to change, and also the ability to work independently as you will be working from home alone. Now, they do not list the pay for this position. You would have to find that out at the time of the interview, but it says this is a non-renewing independent contractor assignment. It's not guaranteed for any length of time. Workloads and hours can vary. There is a potential for contract renewal depending on the workflow. So again, school is about to start back up. We're coming back into the school season with August and September is among us. And so you are going to start finding seasonal part-time jobs, and this is one of them, so I really quickly just wanted to share. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.